How to change language on Steam. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to change the language on Steam. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Steam app on your computer and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now on the top left corner, simply click on Steam and a drop down menu will appear. From that menu, simply click on Settings. And now in the settings window, simply navigate to the interface from the left hand panel, and here you will find the option labeled Steam Client Language. Now click on the drop down menu beside that option, and from here simply select your preferred language. And once you have made your selection, Steam will prompt you to restart the app to apply changes. So simply click on Restart Now, and when it reopens, everything will be displayed in your chosen language. And that's it. That's how you can change language on Steam. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.